Top 5 Best Hydraulic Crimping Tools in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. VEVOR Manual AC Hose Crimper Kit 71-1500 with 7 dies hydraulic hose crimping tool. The lightweight handheld hydraulic press is very portable and ideal for shop and field applications. The Hydra-Krimp can be used on both beaded and barbed hose fittings. The kit comes with a complete set of dies. Durable material. Integral hydraulic instant setup, lightweight and compact, features and details. Durable material. This hydraulic crimping tool is made of aluminum alloy material, ensure the durability. Stamper hardness can reach up to 53 HRC, making the crimping effect better. Integral hydraulic. This handheld integral hydraulic press AC hose crimper is made for easy using. Pressure is controlled by a piston manual valve. No leaks to any fittings. Instant setup. The pin crimping tool has complete dies for the most common sized hoses and fittings. The dies can be snapped quickly into the press fixture, requiring no pins or screws. Lightweight and compact. One-person operation, save your time and energy. Lightweight and compact, suitable for narrow space. A carrying case makes the toolkit easy to carry. Wide application. The hydraulic crimper is ideal for shop and field operations, crimping pipes and fittings in an easy and labor-saving way. Customize the project car's AC lines. Number 5. Hydraulic Hose Crimper. Hydra-Krimp 71-500 Manual AC Hose Crimper Kit. Lightweight and compact, designed for portability, this lightweight tool is ideal for both shop and field applications. Durable material, crafted from aluminum alloy with a hardness of 53 HRC, offering superior durability and crimping performance. Wide application, versatile tool for customizing car AC lines and repairing split-system air conditioners. 7 dies set comes with a complete set of 7 dies, ensuring versatility for various hose fitting designs. 1020C California Air Tools Hydraulic Hose Crimper used integral hydraulic pump. Features an integral hydraulic pump for easy one-person operation, enhancing efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.